Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. Today we're going to go over something pretty cool. Photoshop just released, a generative fill feature in Photoshop Beta. What is generative fill? Well, you can take an image and you can select an area. You can remove items, you can replace items, you can add items. According to Photoshop's website, it says make content in a powerful new way with generative fill. From concepting creative ideas to making complex edits and refinements, generative fill can help you quickly realize your vision while giving you complete control over every creation. So this is basically AI for Photoshop. In the photo that I'm gonna show you, we have a house with a ladder in it, and I want to remove the ladder from this shot, and I'll show you how generative fill does that. With AI on Photoshop, you can transform your images in a variety of ways. You can extend images to turn a vertical shot into a wide horizontal shot. You can change the background. You can update an outfit. You can also add generated objects to an image using a short description in the box. Another use case for generative AI in Photoshop is you can remove unwanted objects from a shoot. Let's say you're doing a family portrait session at a beach with a lot of people in the background, and you don't want anybody to be in the background in the final image. You want it to appear that the family that you're photographing is on the beach by themselves. You can select the people and generate to remove them from the background. So I think this tool is great, and I'm going to show you now how to remove the ladder from this house shot. So the first thing we're going to do is zoom in on the ladder. And then we're going to use the lasso tool to highlight it. Select it, highlight it, whatever you want to call it. I'm not being precise here, as you can tell. Then this box pops up and you want to click on generative fill, and we're going to type in remove ladder. Hit enter, and we're going to watch it work. After a couple seconds, you can see that the ladder's been removed. There it is. Magic, it's gone. If we zoom in, we can see that it did a pretty good job. It's not perfect, but it's close enough to where if we're zoomed out, you won't ever be able to tell that a ladder was there. So there you have it, generative fill in the new Photoshop beta. You can download it on Adobe's website. Let me know what you think. Comment below, give me a like, a thumbs up, share this video, and if you find my channel useful, please subscribe. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.